Here's how to scan documents using your iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Your iPhone has a built-in document scanner, so you don't need any extra apps to scan papers, IDs, or receipts. First, open the Notes app on your iPhone. Tap the new note icon to create a blank note. Tap the camera icon above the keyboard, then select Scan Documents. Place your document on a flat surface. Your iPhone will automatically detect it and scan it. You can also tap the shutter manually, adjust the corners if needed. Tap Keep Scan, then tap Save. Your document is now scanned. Tap the Share icon to send it as a PDF, print it, or save it to files or email. You can also open the Files app, tap the three dots, and select Scan Documents to save directly to iCloud Drive. You can scan multiple pages, add filters, and rename scans for better organization, and that's it. That's how you scan documents with your iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.